Welcome back to Curiosity Code. Today, we're diving into some unique brain exercises that can make your baby's brain healthier, stronger, and more focused. Forget the usual advice, like flashcards, expensive learning toys, or forcing early academics. These exercises are simple, playful, and something you'll actually enjoy doing with your baby during everyday moments. Now, you might be thinking, my baby is too young for brain exercises. But here's something powerful. In the first few years of life, your baby's brain forms connections faster than at any other time. So let's gently challenge that growing brain with these activities and see how much we can strengthen it. Exercise 1, the Focus Grid Game. Our first exercise is all about challenging your baby's visual attention. Place 5 small toys in front of your baby, spaced apart. Now choose one and say its name clearly. Where's the red ball? Give your baby about 10 seconds to look around and try to locate it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Watch their eyes. Are they scanning? Are they comparing objects? Even if they don't grab the right one, their brain is working hard. With regular practice, this exercise enhances visual discrimination, attention span, and early decision-making skills. Exercise 2, the Tone Switch Challenge. In this exercise, your baby will hear the same word spoken in different emotional tones. Choose a simple word like hello or your baby's name. Say it in a whisper. Say it in a very excited voice. Say it in a slow, calm voice. Say it in a surprised voice. Pause briefly between each one. Playful. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. This may look easy, but it actually forces your baby's brain to process tone instead of just sound. Over time, this strengthens language pathways, emotional awareness, and concentration skills. Exercise 3. Sensory Discovery Mode. In this exercise, we activate your baby's sensory brain. Place 3 different textured objects in front of your baby. For example, a soft cloth, a wooden spoon, and a silicone teether. Let them explore freely. Don't guide too much, don't explain, just observe. Pause the video and give your baby 1 minute of uninterrupted sensory exploration. Sensory play strengthens neural mapping in the brain and improves memory formation. Exercise 4, Cross-Body Coordination. Now, let's work on coordination and brain hemisphere communication. Hold a toy slightly across your baby's body. If you hold it near their right side, encourage them to reach with their left hand. Then switch sides. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Cross-body movements are powerful because they strengthen communication between the left and right sides of the brain. Exercise 5, the non-dominant hand boost. This next exercise is simple but extremely powerful. Even at an early age, babies may start favoring one hand. Place toys slightly toward the less used side. Encourage them to grab with that hand. No forcing, just positioning. If you're enjoying this video, try giving it a like with your non-dominant hand. Exercise 6, Real-Life Brain Games. We often hear about baby apps and digital learning tools, but real-world interaction builds stronger brain connections. Try peekaboo, stacking cups, shape sorting, simple cause and effect toys, clapping imitation games. Choose thinking-based play over passive entertainment whenever possible. Exercise 7, the pause method. Finally, one of the most powerful brain exercises is surprisingly simple. When your baby struggles slightly with a task, resist the urge to immediately help. Wait 5 seconds. Let them look. Let them think. Let them attempt. Those few seconds activate problem-solving circuits in the brain. Over time, this strengthens independence, patience, and cognitive flexibility. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Curiosity Code, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Which exercise will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Until then, stay curious.